So you said they came yesterday and did this?
Yeah. Or the day before.
And it still is leaking, huh?
I was ready to put everything back together and I built the little drops and still leaking.
I wonder if this 90 is cracked right here or something. Or maybe they didn't get that in there tight enough. All right, this is an interesting one. Either that 90 and the wall, it's partly in the wall, is cracked, or I think the guy just didn't tighten. I guess a handyman did that yesterday or the day before. And it just kind of looks like he didn't tighten it enough to me. All right. All right, I used a small wrench and I was using my left hand, and I was able to get pretty easily get a full spin on that sucker without much effort. So I think the guy probably just didn't tighten it enough, to be honest with you. But she's going to turn the water back on. All right, it's still leaking, but right here, it's on the angle stop. The angle stop's leaking. All right, I'm gonna have to take it all off. I think it's just
leaking again?
Yeah, the angle stop is leaking. So what I'm gonna do, he used a galvanized nipple. I'm gonna use a brass nipple there and make it a little bit longer, I think. And then, yeah, the angle stop is still leaking. Would you be able to turn the water off again?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks. The guy, the handyman that did this, he didn't put any tape on the side with the angle stop. There's no tape. He only did the tape with the 90 here coming out of the wall. So I think I'm just gonna reuse this. Just gonna reuse it. But I'll probably use a brass nipple because I shouldn't be using Galvi. That Galvi will likely corrode the angle stop, but this angle stop's brand new. It should be fine. All right. A little brass nipple. Do I have... Yeah. I guess this is the shortest one I got. All right. This is a great tool, crescent. Used a little tape and dope. Just gonna go turn the water on. I might be able to get 1 or 2 more spins out of this, but I don't think that's gonna leak, to be honest with you. But we'll see. Water's back on, no leaks. I'll be all right. They thought they were gonna have to open up the wall. I was like, nah, I could tell instantly when I walked in that didn't look like the nipple was tight enough. Anyway, that's it.